Oh, just the continuation. Try to see if this will start. So I'm gonna start this one right now. Sorry, having trouble on this camera. Hard to work when you're alone. At the same time, having to record the video. Try to start it now. I just hit the starter 3 times, or maybe 4 times. So let's try to see if this will work. Whoa, it works. Now it starts. Starts right up. Just one click. So I'm gonna change my starter. Right now that sound is for my catalytic converter. I already found a place where to change it. They told me it's 150 bucks right here close in Hawaiian Gardens. So alright, now if you have any questions, just hit in the bottom of the comment below. And that's it.